Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can add your posts to their stories on your account easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy, and now click story, and here just click only me, and you're gonna make no one can add your posts to their stories on your account on TikTok easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.